Hello.
So we have
Brett. How are you? Nice to meet you, Brett. I'm
Hello.
Mike. Now, Brett, as we pull up your details, your startup showcase.
Yeah.
Yes.
How did it go?
No.
I jumped the gun, sorry.
So you can ask that question.
Yeah.
Security. Yeah. Brett, we've got one kick-off question.
Yep.
Just to make sure you're happy. Could you just raise your...
Yep.
There you go.
Okay.
What makes you happy, Brett?
Seeing people using our products, in all honesty.
Oh, that's fine. That's
really
perfect.
Really does.
Excellent. And your products are?
We build desktop CNC routers and 3D printers and hopefully many other desktop manufacturing tools.
Wow.
What was the CNC bit?
CNC router.
Ah, okay. Chicken and cheese is what I thought then. I thought, wow, that's awesome. 3D printing chicken and cheese.
Unfortunately not.
So you build 3D printers that then build?
No.
Is that what you say?
No, so we build desktop. Our primary product is actually a desktop CNC router. So we build these CNC routers and we sell them all over New Zealand. And the idea is it's cost-effective or lower-cost manufacturing. So the idea is small businesses that perhaps don't have lots of money can be able to purchase one of these machines. They're a sub $10,000 machine, and they can implement it in their business. The machines are built really robust, so you can crash it and bash it, and it's very forgiving in what it can do. So it's very entry-level, but the idea is just to be able to give people a taste of an automated process.
And what do people use them for? Everything
from signage to prototyping products to we've got a guy that uses them to make surfboards, shaping surfboards.
Wicked.
So we've got people in the aerospace industry that are using them for shaping wing tips and that sort of thing. So.
Yeah. And so it's all manufactured locally, as in...
All manufactured in Westport.
Westport?
Wow.
Fantastic.
Westport,
Yes, we make everything ourselves. All the electronics, the software, the hardware. We do all the engineering and assembly in-house as well. So
wicked. That's truly 100% New Zealand.
And we've been operating for about 2 years. So.
And how on earth did you think, right, that's what I'm going to do?
Well, originally we started by building 3D printers. That was our primary first point of call for us.
Yeah.
The big problem with 3D printers though is the market's very saturated, and being a Kiwi company it's hard to raise the same sort of capital that a lot of these other international startups are getting to develop 3D printers. So we re-looked at it and we sort of found that CNC's routers was a place where there wasn't a lot of development being done and there was a lot of people that were wanting them. So we thought, well, the technology is very similar, so let's take what we've learned from 3D printers and let's implement it in CNCs. So
okay, I think I'm going to be slow here, and you probably answered this already. So Techweek, it's CNC.
CNC stands for Computer Numerical Controlled Machine. The CNC industry has coined the term to name a machine. Technically, a 3D printer is actually a CNC machine. It runs off the exact same code.
Yeah.
It works very much in the same way, but the machining industry has coined the term CNC machine for anything that's a router, a mill, anything that's CNC.
So router?
Yes.
So I'm thinking router tech, computer router.
They're
building.
They're
building web access and then printing something.
No. So the better way to think about it is a tool coming down, and you put your material in, and it goes and routes out the edges and cuts it out. Think of like a router like you would use at home to route the edges of a table or something like that.
With you. That makes almost more sense.
It's an automated router that you would use to shape something.
So you could get it. Yes. So it's in a box, or it's a thing.
No, they aren't in a box. They are completely open machines. They sit on your desktop. The idea is low cost desktop manufacturing. So the big thing with us is we're trying to find ways where we can build machines that will sit on your workbench in your garage or in a small workshop or a startup.
Yep. Cool.
So you use them in the same way. You grab some designs or create your own design, push it through.
Take your CAD designs and then push them to the machine. And the idea is just cost-effective manufacturing.
Off it goes. There's a dude in Holland who is making. He did that machine with the pinballs. Have you seen that?
No, I can't say.
He rolls it around, and there's this giant machine that's got a gazillion levers, but it's all made out of wood, and it sort of plays itself and pinballs fall down.
Can't say I have, but he probably would have used the CNC machine to make that.
Exactly what I'm thinking. I was like, I've seen that by that Dutch dude. Oh, there we go. We'll put that link in the thing.
Everything that you see in day-to-day life was most likely made on a CNC machine. The headphones you guys are wearing, the molds to make those headphones was originally made on a CNC machine because it's the only way to really make an injection mold that's then going to be plastic injected.
Holy moly.
They've been doing
There
it
you
all
go.
along. They've been doing it all along.
Yes.
Yeah,
Not just doing it, we're wearing it, mate.
We're wearing
Yeah,
it.
tables, chairs, everything's really comes from CNC in some way. It's really old-fashioned technology. It's been around for a long time, and all we're trying to do is make it smarter and cheaper and more affordable. So,
Right.
And you just done the startup showcase? Have you
yes.
done the case? Yeah.
Yes, I have. Yep.
And what was your 2-minute pitch?
The pitch was basically that we are trying to raise capital at the moment,
Yep.
so we can take our product to an international market.
Yep.
We've got a lot of interest in Canada and Australia and the US. So the goal is for us is to start drip feeding at least the Canadian and the Australian markets.
Yep.
Get our product right, get our processes right, and make sure that we can deliver. And then we will be seeking more investment to be manufacturing in those countries and take it to the world. So
Take it to the world.
There's the man who wants your money. Excellent.
Just said it there.
And those people out there, how are they going to get that money to you? How do they get in touch?
You can jump on our website. Our website is vertigotech.co.nz. And feel free to jump on our website. Just look up CNC Machines New Zealand on Google, and I think we're the first one that shows up. And even if you just type CNC in, we're the first one that shows up in Google as well. So
Above chicken and cheese. That's pretty
that'd be
amazing.
the optimal way to do it.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Come and have a talk to us. We're really keen to meet with anyone, and we're just really keen to share ideas, and we're really passionate about what we're doing, and keen to get more people involved. So
That's awesome.
Thank you so
Thanks
much.
for your time, mate. That's great.
Well, good luck.
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun with it, if nothing else.
no worries. Thank you very much.
Awesome.
Cheers, mate.
Lovely
Thanks
talk to
a
you.
lot, eh? Good to see you. I'll grab that. Thanks.